It is Friday, and I hope everybody is doing well. I am here at my office about to see a client and get this shmoney. So, yeah, let's do this. Hello, my beautiful office. Let's make some beautiful money today. Blessings, my Buddha. Now it's time to set up the space for a massage today. Massage table. All right, we are ready for the session. Just need my music. I was waiting for my computer to come up. And it has. Let's do a little heart chakra therapy. I feel like something's in my throat. So whenever you do sound therapy, you always want to pay attention to this part of your body that's being activated or how it feels, and just embrace that feeling. And however it is, if you feel that it may have some type of energy to it, just release it with grace and love. And if not, just be thankful for the activation that's happening in your body.